Okay, in Ross, this Ross right here seems to be very filled in, so we come here. Okay, what do we have? So giving you ideas. You know, we always see this, but you know, Dragon Ball. This is going to be 20, 27. These are McFarlane toys. Avatar. Does that light up or something? Oh, it does. There we go. I think they're all the same one. Yep, they're all going to be the same. And next to me is a 20. You can find Sonic, A Lot of Trouble. Let's see, $8.99. If you know somebody who loves $2.99. Yeah, their wrestling figures are actually cheap here.
Oh yeah, it's like the cheapest place you can get them.
A bag of like animals or bin, $11.99. 17 here. 20 in the back.
They pretty much have this whole series right here. You can find pretty much all of them in here.
$2.99. Yeah, well, this one's actually $4. Some are $2.99 and some will be $4. Oh yeah, that's crazy, right? More Avatar.
Look at that.
This one is 10. Oops. See, 10. And then Tila is here. It's another guy. So it's probably gonna be $3.99. What did you find?
Cobra Khan.
How much is he?
He is 10.
10?
And I found He-Man.
For $12.99.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, our son's been collecting like the He-Man.
Yeah, he has the one with the glitter background. Whenever they did the hey yeah song. He has
Cars, tons of Monster Jam here, you guys. A lot of die cast little mini ones too. Oh gosh, see? Oh gosh.
This one's just a mess. Yeah.
$12.99.
Leonardo, no cool.
$3.99. Oh gosh, I need to pick that up. Oh look, they have a Dalmatian one. Oh, and the doggies. I didn't even know that. So you know somebody who collects Monster Jam. These are $8 here. We got Pokemon, more anime. The zombie, yeah, the pirate. $7.99. We pull this one out. This is $5.99. The volcano launcher. So it comes out of there. Okay. Just so much stuff to choose from. Sonic. I know I met a granddad. This is $5. That said, hey, their kid likes Sonic. Or the grandkid, 22.
Oh wow. Yeah.
It's another Sonic one.
Horde Heck.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool because we saw She-Ra the other day.
Yeah, this is 14. You can find this one in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And then 20. Let me bring it out. $20. Some more One Piece. Yeah, these are $3.99. Look, you can find Slinky Dog. That could be. He's cute. He's $12.99 here. Oh my gosh, it's just like they're just literally spilling everywhere. I didn't do this, but you know, a lot of cars.
They'll blame us.
No, cars. Monster Jam. 22. Let me pull this one out. 22. Look, there's a Toothless. Let me bring it out. Oh, this one's $5. Was that Tech Deck?
Tech Deck. Yeah.
Don't see a price on that.
This one's really good. I just can't find what I'm looking for.
They're just stocked. What'd you find back there? Oh yeah, we've seen this one all the time.
Yeah, I couldn't see. I was just grabbing.
These are $12.99.
I thought this was kind of cool because you build this motorcycle.
Oh yeah, that's $11.99. That's cool. So Neon Racer looks like a Mountain Dew. I saw something down here. Bluey, Dragon Ball. Here's more wrestling.
Why is there never G.I. Joe?
She's $3.99. That's the same one. Okay. The Smashers. 25, Melissa and Doug. You get 24 pieces in here. These are cardboard. And then $12.99. What is this one? $9. The polar bear plunge. It's like don't break the ice. Don't we have don't we have that game
I
still?
never played it.
You never played Don't Break the Ice? Get out of here.
Jurassic Park. This one's
15. See? Not bad.
They got
15.
good deals on toys.
Puzzles, more cars, blocks, memory game, Goosebumps. That's a puzzle. Oh yeah, this was on a lot of people's Angel Tree, $12.99, and Operation Santa. They really wanted Sonic, like a Nerf. What is this one?
They have their living room.
$12.99. That's actually kind of funny.
You can put Callie in a sweater.
I wish this made noise though, like the big one. If you push it down for $10, yeah, $8, and this one's $8. And $11.99. $2.99. Okay, these are 20. It's like a mermaid one. Tons of slime, you guys. Play food, dolls, Play-Doh, ride along cars. Always seen her. They always have the blue one for 15. Let me pull this one out. LOL. These are 18. You get nails too. Let me pull this. Oh gosh. See, yeah. Everything just falls. I get it. They're like really stocked in this location. I've been to so many Rosses, and this is the only one that has like everything just filled in, and that's kind of why they do fall. Because a lot of little kids are coming by pulling things and they just fall. Fluffy tail. This is 8. Headbands, 5. Play-Doh, if you're just looking for Play-Doh. Oh well, this is heavy. Stockings, or even for yourself at home, $11.99. You get 50 pieces in there. 50. The garden, I think these might be like $12.99. Yeah, $12.99. They have like a baking one for 15. The creation, spam. Okay, $15.99. This is like the perfume one. Play shoes, little air fryer, pretend play. Oh, this is just a mat, $5.99. Baby Alive, $8. Yeah, see these mats here for children. Those are $5.99. Cool sensory. This is a sensor. Oh, more Play-Doh. Oh gosh, $17. 17. This is definitely a good one for Toys for Tots or occupational therapy. If you're in like the field where you work with children, this could come in handy too. I do have a big bracelet maker. This is what my daughter wants to get into, so I'm like crossing my fingers for some scholarships because she needs this. Look at this one, little darlings. Okay, here babe, can you grab that? I see airplanes, dolls, slime. It's on my hand. It's heavy. This is $11.99. A scramble, my gosh. Just kind of just put that there. Oh, they have little cars, stuff for babies. 15. Oh gosh, I'll pick it up. 15. This is a VTech one. 15. Frozen doll. Mega variety. We have bubble pop, butter. See, that's gonna slide down. Stretchy Play-Doh. This is $12.99. More slime. Barbies in the back. They're just Barbies everywhere. Her and her guitar. It's a doctor one. They had this in Five Below, $8.99. Look at it right here. My gosh, my kid would have killed for one. She never got one. $18. The Monster High car, because back then this was like pretty pricey. I think one of the cars was like 45. Like all these new toys that came out, they were really pricey compared to now. Babe, look at this. $18. Remember back in the day,
car, yeah.
these were like 40.
Yeah, they were.
They were pricey, so we never got one.
Look at
Oh,
that
look.
one, like a
$12.99.
like an old-fashioned one, yeah.
Here's a Bluey sensory bin, like they have in 15 in Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is on sale. Might be the same price over there actually with their sale. Play-Doh, $12.99. They have the phone. Tons of Bluey, you guys. Don't have to worry about that. You know, fun nail polish, a lip gloss. This is $8. American Girl doll. We've been finding a lot of American Girl. Just like crazy. Barbies. Cash register for 10 play.
They got Lego sets too.
Barnyard Tumble. This is 15. Large Play-Doh set. Let me pull this bad boy out. $22 to get everything. You even get like the pot and like the mold for it. Okay. Dolls, cars, Sonic scooter. We just saw that guy. Cars.
Ooh, they got Legos too.
2-in-1. These jumbos, these are $49. Right on. Baby dolls, sparkles, the $29.99. Legos here are $8.99. Yeah.
Like quite a bit.
Minecraft. This is perfect for Toys for Tots for Christmas Angel if they're asking for Minecraft stuff. They have a dinosaur one too. This is $12.99. 17, $8.99. 10 here. A lot of big toys. And then more dinosaurs, Bluey, Smashers. Glow in the dark. The tiles, $29.99. That's cool. Spidey and Friends. Let's find out how much this one is.
Oh, it's
Disney
right here. It's
Junior.
on the front.
Oh,
It's 15.
15. This one, The Mandalorian. I don't know what this.
Two-pack.
What is he? Oh, someone's took something. Maybe.
I
No.
think he's just trying to.
$8.99. No, 10. Doesn't make noise. It's just a big thing that shoots out on his arm. More wrestling.
You're getting quite a bit. This two-pack
Cards,
is $10.
Bluey. This is gonna be $25 in the back right here. $25. Fisher Price, $12.99. It does make noise. It's kind of funny. $10.99. 17. Oh, we just saw this. $12.99. All right, you guys. And then Batman right here is $15. I think I try to cover most of it without dropping stuff. The Bluey tree down there. But yes, I've been finding tons of American Girl doll, and it's kind of sad that
That we lost our store. Yeah.
there's like no store. Look at here's the baby corns, a Barbie right here. This is $20. Again with this phone.
I know our daughter's like, oh, I was hoping that'd be a tradition. You know, take her daughter to American Girl store, shoot around.
Let me see this Pets Alive one down here. It's This is $11.99. I make real pony sounds. All right, that's kind of cool. Over 13 ways to interact with it. Includes a saddle. All right, you guys, that is gonna do it. Please stay safe out there. And I will see y'all in the next one. It's $5. Come and get your cupcake.
I get the big
How much
beefy
is that
ones.
one?
These ones are
45.
45.